Hello students, today our topic is from trade to territory. You can see here, this is the, this is a roughly map of India I have drawn here. This is the British island and through this route, this is the Atlantic Ocean, through this route from the sea, they approached in India. It was in the 1707, after the death of Aurangzeb, Mughal Empire started to be decline. And this leads to the emergence of the many new independent kingdoms in India. Now, Delhi lost its glory. Before that, in 1680, East India Company came in India. What was the reason behind the East India Company to reach in India? There were so many reasons. East India Company approached in India in search of the new market because due to the industrialization they needed the new market. Raw material was also required for them and cheap labor that was available in India. So all these the reasons that's why Britishers attracted towards the India. But before that in 1498 Vasco da Gama already had discovered sea route in India. Dutchies, Frenchies also has approached India before the Britishers reached, approached in India. So East India Company had to face competition in India with Frenchies and Dutchies because all these, the Dutchies as well as the Frenchies also required same things in India. How East India Company begins his trade in Bengal? First factory that was set up by the East India Company in Bengal, it was in 1651 at the river Hooghly. And after the setting of this industry, after the 2 or 3 years, it gained the right of the Jamidari over the 3 villages. And one of that village developed as Calcutta, which is known as Kolkata today. Later on, Aurangzeb issued a farman that granted the British East India Company the right to free trade. Now the Britishers started to be India, their power as their power. So they have to be fought many battles in India. It was the in 1757 they fought Battle of Plassey. At that time, Sirajuddaulah was the Nawab of Bengal, and there was a battle between both of them. What at last, company got success in that battle, and Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal after defeating Sirajuddaulah, and in this way, the company success to gain the political power in Bengal because Mir Jafar was the puppet in the hands of the Britishers. In 1764, they have fought one another battle that was known as the Battle of Buxar, in which again Britishers got success and they got Diwani, which is the right to collect revenue from Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. This is the way they hold a political power in India and started to interfere in the political matters of the state. They appointed their residents in the states which always keep a check on the activities of the rulers. Now the rulers were not independent. They have to be live under the British rulers. They have fought many other battles. They have fought Karnataka wars. There were the 3 battles of the Karnataka that were fought between the Britishers and Indians, and in which the Britishers got success. In the same way, and there were the 4 Anglo-Mysore wars that were fought between the Britishers and Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. And in the last, the Britishers gained success. They also fought 3 wars between with Marathas, and in this way they were engaged in a number of battles with the Indians in order to gain political power, and at last they success. There were a number of methods by which they were able to establish their powerful empire in India. These methods were like subsidiary alliance. It means that the Britishers always keep residents in the state which always keep a check on the activities of the ruler. The ruler were not free to have their own independent armies. Another method was the annexation policy, by which they control the neighbors, usually with force. And the other method was the doctrine of lapse. It means that if the Indian rulers died without any natural heir, then they were not allowed to adopt any child, and their kingdom was automatically annexed with the British state. So this is the way how Britishers changed their trade into territory and they gained power in India. Thank you.